Okay guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to have a look at the... Where are we going, Marcus?
Hotel COSTA.
COSTA BLANCA. We were stuck where this one was. We found it now, so Marcus put us in the right direction, as normal. That's right down on the front here. It's just past the town, apparently. Which is a bit of a way down, Mark, isn't it? What was that? That's the heartbreak, isn't it? There's a heartbreak. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to open at the moment. 14 days originally, has now turned into 28 days.
Did they give us?
Go on, do it again, Marcus.
What a heartbreak.
His jokes are getting as bad as mine. But I'll walk down till we find it. Well, supermarkets will be doing better now. All the bars are shut. If you need a drink, you'll be going into supermarkets. It's not going to be bad for their business. I think they're allowed to stop open till 9 o'clock now, is it, Marcus?
Yes.
The markets, the essential shops. Still can't work out what the pubs are not open. Surely that's essential in Spain. That's the town, isn't it, there, Marcus?
Yeah.
So, this buffet restaurant next door.
Yeah, that is
That's the one.
COSTA BLANCA.
Oh, this is the place if you're into your Coke glasses and stuff. Remember the multicoloured Coke glasses they brought out? I know before lockdown they had a load of them in there.
Oh yeah, that did
Yeah. I don't really know much about this hotel. It looks a nice hotel, but I haven't had much comment on people that stayed there. It is an adult only hotel.
Such a big quiet.
Looks lovely at night. When it's all lit up, got all lights on the balconies. I do remember filming this place at night when we come up once. Looked fantastic. Not a really high hotel, but
should imagine you get a nice view of the beach.
Yep. There we go. You imagine a bit more expensive because it's right on the front. Oh, we haven't come down properly yet. Sorry guys, I'm still having a bit of trouble with the sun. There you go. If you have got anywhere you want filmed, you want to have a look at one of your favourite hotels, probably will be shut at the moment, but there you go.
Off to Simbel next.
Yeah, we are going to have a walk down to Simbel in a minute. I'm going to do that on a separate video. Is there water in the pool? Is there anything? Yes, you can see.
It's cost them a bit to keep that clean, John.
I think it costs them less to keep it clean, Marcus, than
Emptying it.
yeah, than emptying it and putting fresh water in. I think a tanker of water is quite expensive over here. And you do have to get the tankers in to fill them up. Well, one guy with a hose and a lot of patience. It seems strange seeing it closed. And this has been open since lockdown, pretty sure. But as with all the new restrictions, they'll have to shut now. Until September, I think it is. Around about then. And then you can all come back, hopefully. Okay guys, I'm going to leave the video there. Like and subscribe as normal, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.